Hey guys, welcome to our channel, and today we are going to compare two different trading platforms. The first one is Thinkorswim and the second one is TastyTrade. So let's see which one is better. So the Thinkorswim versus the TastyTrade is going to be a quick comparison video. So choose between this Thinkorswim and TastyTrade depends on your trading style, experience level and specific needs. Now, here's the list. First, we are going to cover the Thinkorswim. So, Thinkorswim by the Charles Webb. So, the best for advanced traders seeking comprehensive tools and a wide range of investment options. Now, here's the pros that advanced charting and analysis offers nearly 400 technical indicators, customizable charts, and advanced other types like OCO and Blast All. Then wide range of investments, access to stocks, ETFs, options, futures, forex, mutual funds and bonds. Level 2 data provides free level 2 course for both professional and non-professional accounts. Robust mobile app, advanced charting with numerous indicators and drawing tools supporting various asset classes. Now here is the cons. Complex interface. The platform's extensive features may overwhelm new traders. Higher margin rates charges higher margin rates compared to TastyTrade. Now let's go to the TastyTrade. So TastyTrade is best for active options and futures trader looking for a user-friendly platform with competitive pricing. Now here is the pros. Locals trading $1 per contract to open options trader, free to close $1.25 per futures contract. User-friendly interface, simplified platform design making it easier to navigate for options trading. Then educational resources, access to the Tasty Live network for daily live trading education and insights. So cryptocurrency trading offers crypto trading and which things or swim does not. Now here's the cons. Limited investment options, doesn't support forex, mutual funds, bonds or over-the-counter stocks. Basic charting tools, lacks advanced indicators like volume profile and level 2 data. Now here's the verdict that choose Thinkorswim if you require advanced charting tools, a broad range of investment options and comprehensive trading features, and choose the TastyTrade if you are focused on options and futures trading, prefer a more straightforward interface and value lower trading cost. So your choice should align with your trading goals, experiencing level and the specific features you prioritize in a trading platform. So that's pretty much all things. Hope you found this video helpful and let us know which one you are going to choose in the comments below. Thanks for watching. Till next time.